Good evening. Tonight we're going to be talking about recognizing halves. As you see, we have the problem 1/2 equals the denominator of 4. So in our first one, we drew the picture, our circle with 1/2 of it colored. Then we drew a circle and we divided it into 4 pie pieces. Pause the video and color in half of the 4 pie piece circle. Welcome back. You should have colored, 2 of them in, which means we have 1/2 equals 2/4, which means 2/4 is another name for 1/2. Let's look at our second problem over here. We have 1/2 and we have 8 as our denominator. Pause the video, copy this problem with the circles, and then color in the number of pie pieces in this circle that would make 1/2. Welcome back. You should have colored in 1, gotta have my color. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/2 also equals 4/8. Let's look down here at the third one. We have 1/2 and the denominator of 6. Pause the video and copy this problem down here in the bottom left corner. 1/2 equals blank over 6, and then color the correct number of pie pieces to make 1/2. Ooh. Welcome back. You should have colored 1, 2, 3 pie pieces, which would give you 3/6. So 1/2 also equals 3/6. Now let's look at our final problem here. We have our pie divided into 12. We have our problem divided here into 12 pieces. Pause the video and copy this problem into your notes. Color the correct number of pie pieces to equal 1/2. Welcome back. You should have colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should have colored 6 pie pieces. So 1/2 also equals 6/12. Now I want to highlight something. I want you to look at all of our new fractions. The denominators on all of those new fractions are multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. Sometimes you will see fractions represented with the fraction bar, where you have 1/2, you have 2 1/4, you have 3 1/6, you have 4 1/8, and you have 6 1/12. If you have any questions, please write them down in your notes and ask tomorrow in class. Have a good evening.